Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
गाइस, उम्मीद है कि आप ठीक होंगे। आज मैं बात करने लगा हूँ वर्ल्ड करंट अफेयर से रिलेटेड MCQs का पार्ट 5। क्वेश्चन नंबर 41, डैश वाज द फर्स्ट कंट्री टू लीगलाइज मैरिजुआना। ऑप्शन ए USA, ऑप्शन बी कनाडा, ऑप्शन सी यूरोगे, ऑप्शन डी none of these. The right answer is option C, Uruguay. Question number 42, what is the total length of world longest Hong Kong Zhuhai bridge? Option A 75 km, option B 65 km, option C 55 km, option D none of these. The right answer is option C, 55 km. Question number 43, where is the world's longest sea bridge? Option A Japan, option B Russia, option C China, option D none of these. The right answer is option C, China. Question number 44, which two countries agreed to trade in their local currencies? Option A Saudi Arabia and Pakistan, option B China and Pakistan, option C Japan and China, option D none of these. The right answer is option B, China and Pakistan. Question number 45, world's first AI mean artificial intelligence news anchor unveiled in dash country. Option A Japan, option B USA, option C China, option D none of these. The right answer is option C, China. Question number 46, Forbes magazine named top most powerful woman of the year 2018. Option A Christine Lagarde, option B Angela Merkel, option C Theresa May, option D none of these. The right answer is option B, Angela Merkel. Question number 47, Forbes magazine named oldest top most powerful man of the year 2018. Option A Lee Ka-shing, option B Warren Buffett, option C Rupert Murdoch, option D none of these. The right answer is option A, Lee Ka-shing. Question number 48, Forbes magazine named youngest top most powerful man of the year 2018. Option A Kim Jong-un, option B Mark Zuckerberg, option C Mohammed Salman, option D none of these. The right answer is option C, Mohammed Salman. Number 49, Forbes magazine named top most powerful man of the year 2018. Option B is Xi Jinping, option B Donald Trump, option C Option study